All right, everyone, here is the recipe for these chicken mash wraps, and it's 2 servings. You'll need 1 package of those chicken sausages I got from Aldi's. I did the tomato basil, 1 box of the mashed cauliflower, the lavish bread by Joseph, the baby spinach and arugula mix, mozzarella cheese, red pesto, pink salt, and pepper. Take out a pan, add 1 cup of water, turn it on a medium heat, and add your 4 sausages and 2 cups of the spinach and arugula mix. Cover it and let cook. While this is cooking, go ahead and heat up your mash in the microwave on 6 minutes. And then let's kind of get things ready. Take out 1 wrap. It's 2 servings, so cut this in half. When your sausages are cooked, cut them into bite-sized pieces and add over 2 tablespoons of the red pesto. Then mix it well. Then take out a bowl and add just 2 servings of the mash and your whole pan of the sausage mix and heavily pink salt and pepper. Then give it a good stir. Split this between both wraps. Add 2 tablespoons of the mozzarella cheese. Roll it and cut them in half. Here's a picture to the side and a picture up close. Now this is pretty carby, you guys. It was 17 carbs, so you could split this throughout the day, but I do 1 meal a day. I added a 2 good yogurt with it, which made it 20 net carbs for the day as my 1 meal. This was so delicious. Definitely give this one a try.